Hi. I had nasal surgery yesterday, which was Monday, September 1st, 2015, and to remove my polyps that I had on my right side. I developed them probably about 3 years ago. I just all of a sudden just was having a massive time just trying to breathe. And I took everything possible, the Allegras and what have you, and it sent me to an allergist because it just wasn't getting any better. And when the allergist would give me some uh, antibiotics, it kind of like helped for a while, but you can't be on it forever. So, but it got a little bit better, and with some over the counter, no, prescription nasal spray, it alleviated it. But I was finding that I could not lie down to go to sleep, so I actually slept propped up on pillows. So as the night was progressing, I would take the pillows and just like, so eventually it was like kind of like laying down, what have you. But I would have to get up several times through the night to just get it out of me because I just couldn't blow from this side. Only this side was free. So December 31st, I believe, of 2014, I had a balloon process, which is a tiny little balloon on the end of let's say a long, whatever you spectrum that the doctor would use. It would go up to the nasal passage, and the balloon would go in and fracture, make tiny little fractures, and with hopes that it would allow, well, it would like free up the polyps or what have you. What it allowed me to do was actually breathe up, but I couldn't push anything past. And I lived with that for a while, and I just couldn't take it anymore. I got sick and tired of going to the drugstores and acting like a drug addict. Please, can I please have this Allegra? Because every time you get the Allegra, you need to show your license. And it was one particular time I was a day short of my allowance of having them because it's a legal thing now because all the base heads want to use it for whatever. So anyway, so I had elected to do the nasal surgery. I did not realize at the time that the nasal surgery would have been anesthesia and anesthesia, but I'm okay with it. It's a day out. When they sent me home, they sent me home with some prescription things. The saline nasal spray. You have to keep your nostrils clear or moisturized. Nothing's really happening right now. Then I also was prescribed methylprednisolone, which is supposed to defeat or inhibit um, inflammation. And I was also sent home with some C. differ, which is a so it's a 300 milligrams, and lots of gauzes for the nose. My doctor said if I was going to have to, I call it the hammock. It's under your nose and it is applied like so, like this, under your nose, and it's like two pieces of band-aids holding on the side, or tape holding it on the side. I found when they were holding onto the side that I couldn't breathe with them. So I just found it was just best to take them off and just blot any of the blood that was coming down. Yeah, it's a bloody mess. It was a bloody mess. But my doctor said if I was able to fill up four of them, then that's a problem. I was only able to fill up two of them. Now, what I'm doing, I'm getting some drainage. I am completely blocked still. I still am sitting up sleeping. It's driving me crazy. It's only 2 days, the second day in, and it's just making me, I just want to lay down like a human being and go to sleep. I can only sleep with my mouth open. I mean, I can only breathe with my mouth open. I can't smell a damn thing. I can taste. My taste buds have not been affected. Overall, I would do it again. I was very fortunate. I did not get any swelling. I have no pain. Oh, another thing I was prescribed was the Tylenol with codeine. I took 3 pills of those and woke up this morning and I have no pain. I'm very fortunate that I did not get any, probably a little slightly swollen on this side. This side is free, but from what I understand, It's the blockage in here and the inflammation because I had surgery and they also put a tube down your throat. They said I would feel sore. I never feel sore. I just cannot wait to just be able to just be free. See, nothing at all. I can breathe it at all. So I had my polyp surgery. That's part day 2. I don't know if I'm going to do any more updates. I just wanted to just put it out there because I've been on here in forever. I just wanted to tell you that that's what I'm going through, and I might maybe a week from now put something up, but I can't guarantee because I do my little disappearing accent. It's not on purpose. It is who it is. So this is Freckles 2720 doing her vid on my nasal polyp removal. Bye.